What is up, my friends and family? I'm Charmix, and today I'm going to be reacting to Dank Memes Vine Compilation Day 9 by Stolen Memes for Stolen Kids. Now, so far they've been quite funny. However, the ear rape's been really bad, so you might want to turn down the volume, because I'm not really sure how bad this is going to be, but judging from the last few episodes, it might be really bad. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. The original link's in the description, and with that being said, let's begin.
I can't understand your accent.
You sure that's not the nigga dick for furry?
She suck your dick, your balls, and your fucking legs.
It's empty. See?
What?
Something bad is going to happen.
Is that like a new meme? I'm not familiar with that.
Okay.
I have osteoporosis.
I would have actually rather have seen what happened to the guy, because it looked like he was about to frickin' it looked like he was about to lose his manlyhood, if you know what I mean. Wait, okay.
I'm Rick Harrison, and this is my pawn shop.
Hey guys, it's about time I gave you that face reveal. There you go.
Whoa, hey guys, welcome to EV Games.
What?
Okay. Point on the car. Check in with me and do your job.
I am the one.
Skinny penis.
The way your son don't need a gun to
Monkey milk, mirror mitten.
Mega faggot.
and the 1 and the 2 and the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh wow.
I hate smoke, so whenever I see it, I make this noise.
The ear rape is so bad. Oh. That would have knocked you out.
Great because America is good.
Knowledge.
Just kidding. Kill yourself.
Aww.
That's just a stupid boulder.
Trust you. I'm gonna
What was he trying to do? Jump over a car?
Cook ya, and then they eat ya, or worse.
What could be worse than that?
Gift shops.
All of my youngest, some savages running your trap, hit you up with them packages. Rob you for bricks, finesse you for
Fucking nigger!
I'm your home killer, Team Star.
I can't seem to find my toothbrush, so I'll pick one up when I go out today. Other than that, I'm in good
Isn't that
shape.
from Home Alone? Oh, that's not. There's so much ear rape in this, it's unbelievable.
From New York, fuck these niggas, man.
So some total jerkwad just said that my laugh was gross. So I turned around and I said, yeah, well, your face is gross.
Solder.
Okay, I put my
That is a very flexible dog.
Lego.
I play in a band. That's fun.
I was in a band.
Some gangster is dissing your
Great wall.
give him one of these.
To all the bitches that think they bootylicious, I think they nutritious, I think they do dishes. I'm making 3 wishes.
What is that from?
That's the war face. Now let me see your war face.
What? My fat vagina?
Are you fucking gay?
Or put bamboo shoots under my nails?
No.
When you go to sleep at night, when you wake up in the I blow a motherfucking chow when I'm
Please let this be a normal field trip with a friend. No way.
cruising on diamond.
Really? Really?
Talking action figures, my idea.
Love it. Let's see what I say.
You eat all my beans, nigga!
Hold up.
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Are you feeling?
We gon'
Watch me, now watch me whip.
Did she just pour whipped cream all over her cat? Alright, this is pretty funny. The ear rape was so bad. I don't know if it was as bad as the last episode, but it was still pretty bad. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share it with a friend. If you're new, subscribe and join the family today. And also, make sure you go subscribe to Stolen Memes for Stolen Kids. That link's in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop!